All right, so I'm gonna skip an intro. This is the unboxing for the Wacom Cintiq 22. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get to that. All right, so we are at the box. So what we are going to do right now, we're gonna get this over. We're gonna get that over. So first thing we see in the box is another box. Boxception, I call it. So we're gonna move that out the way. We have this beautiful little screen right here. So we're gonna move this out the way first. Well, not really. We're gonna keep it right here. So, boom, and boom. So, let's see. So inside this box, we have, Wacom has their socials and everything. So shout out to Wacom, you know? Shout out to Wacom. So on the inside, we have, let's see, paperwork. More paperwork that is not related to the box because boxing. So first thing we have is our USB type B cord. Most important thing that we need. This is going to allow you to actually draw on your drawing tablet. So we're gonna put that to the side. Secondly, we have the first plug of the day. This is the American plug. This is the one I need because I'm American, you know? We're gonna move that to the side real quick. The second plug we have is going to be, I believe this is the European plug. No, wait, no, it's not. This is the Asian plug, I think. I can't tell. So that's the second one. Well, third one actually. And then the third plug / fourth item is going to be the, okay, I think this is actually the European plug. So usually the Cintiq 22 as well as other Wacom tablets come with various plugs, usually about 3 different regions of the world. So super helpful. Let's get rid of this. So in this other little box, we have the power adapter for the Cintiq 22. Boom, there we go. All right, so that's just that regular old do guy. All right, and we're gonna move that to the side. This is a pen holder for your Wacom pen. This is actually going to come in very handy if you actually need one of these. So I'm gonna leave this actually in here. So then we have the standard manual for Wacom. I'm not actually going to open this. I'm going to open this later. So most importantly, we have our Wacom pen with plastic. Take the plastic off. Boom, there we go. So it's going to be helpful. Let's actually see how this works. Boom. And then you just chop that in there. Cool. All right, so that's what's in the first box. We're gonna leave that here. So we're gonna take this, this felt cover off. We're gonna take this cover off. All right. And here are the plug areas for the Wacom tablet. Looks like these are speakers as well. And on top of that, the power button. So that's gonna be helpful, obviously. All right, take this out slowly. And there we go. So this is actually the proper way to hold the Wacom. Boom. So there we go. And on the very back, we have our locking mechanism because this thing is super helpful. All right, so we actually are able to take this off and do a little, here that is. We can actually swap this off for a different stand if we want, including the adjustable stand that I forget the name of right now. So that's that right there. And this is what the tablet looks like. And all of the items that are going to come with it. All right. Boom, 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 boom. And good old manual. That is basically the unboxing for the Wacom Cintiq 22. Packaging can be very much of a hassle. It took a lot of effort to actually get this thing here. Right now, we're going to go ahead and do a illustration for this thing. All right, I'm going to set this up on my computer because I haven't done that yet. But yeah, we're just going to do that like now. And as we go right along into some of the little sketches, as well as lines I made that lead up to the illustration, I want to end up talking to you all about the actual price and all the other specifications that come with the tablet. Straight out of the box from both Amazon as well as the official Wacom website, the full retail price of this tablet is $1,199.95. Because you always have to knock off that extra nickel. So that's what you're going to get on both Amazon and Wacom's official website as of this recording, basically. And it comes with, well, you saw already in the actual unboxing, but I actually kind of messed up and left out the HDMI cord. So it does come with its own HDMI cord. You don't have to buy one for yourself. In addition to all that, the resolution for the actual workspace, work area that you're going to get on the tablet is 1920 by 1080 HD, and it has a very, very nice scratch resistant anti-glare cover slash screen protector. And once you actually start using this for yourself, you'll understand that some of the glare in the room isn't really caught in the full black screen when you have it turned off, which is extremely helpful. And in addition to that, you have the beauty of an instrument that the Wacom Pro Pen 2 is, because you'll be getting 8,192 levels of pressure with very low activation force as well as tilt recognition. That means that if you were to turn the, well, not turn, but tilt the actual pen itself all the way to 60 degrees as a maximum, you'd still be able to draw on the tablet, meaning that you can do a lot of angled drawing, if that makes sense to you. You may actually understand that in the future, but it is extremely helpful for all artists and creators alike. Along with that, the pen is also, well, actually the pen and the tablet are both also advertised as having virtually no lag and a super fast response rate. And the response rate basically means the moment you put the pen to the tablet or over the tablet of about, I believe, an inch in total, the response rate is 22 milliseconds, which is very fast. Even if you have a laggy computer, most of the lag will actually come from the computer and not the tablet itself. The interface and the input is extremely fast, and after using it for just a week, I actually noticed that it was a little faster actually after I closed a couple of programs. But your mileage will vary in this particular regard simply because I have a lot of tabs open a lot of times, as well as different programs, and I have a habit of just leaving them open and not actually closing them ever. And in addition to the no lag, actually, the pen also doesn't actually have a battery technically in the way that you may think. According to Wacom's website, the pen actually charges from the screen directly, and as you keep using it, it'll charge more. But again, that's very weird. That actually gives me the inclination to go ahead and open up the pen to see if there actually is a battery in there. But that's just my thought. So yeah, that's kind of the technical stuff that I wanted to actually go over here. And I also want to put a line in the sand and go ahead and just say that this is a great tablet, especially if you want to be a Disney animator. And that's kind of the joke that I developed as I was using this over the past week and a half, simply because a lot of Disney animators use Wacom tablets, but not just that. But when you take a look at this tablet, it actually has a lot of great factors. Other than the lack of buttons, since there's only one button, the power button, it accomplishes the job that you want it to. It has a very nice color range, which allows you to see everything that you really need. And in the end, the workspace that you have, which is about 18 by 10.5 actually, it can allow you to accomplish a lot of your art goals that you set out for yourself. And in the end, that's all we are here for, or at least that's why we want to continue to obtain a new technology that helps us achieve our goals. And that's where I'm going to leave it. So I want to thank you all for watching the tablet review, and I want to thank you all especially for watching the whole video in length. I wanted to keep this as short as possible, but there was a lot of stuff I wanted to put in basically. So in the end, I hope you actually still like the video. I hope you all give the video a like. I hope you all subscribe for more content, because I actually may make another one of these in the future. This was very fun. As well as share this video with a couple of other people who you think may actually need a new drawing tablet and currently has the money to buy one, because that's a complicated matter in itself. So in the end, again, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all later.